In this video, I will show you how to use the graphing tool in WebAssing. Since we need to draw a straight line, click on the button with two arrows and choose the one that is on the left. Now we need to plot the vertical intercept at 2. That is the y-intercept with coordinate 0 and 2. Click on this point. Next, plot the horizontal intercept at 6. That is the x-intercept with coordinates 6 and 0. Click on this point as well. Now you will see the straight line passing through the y-intercept 0 and 2. That is vertical intercept. And the x-intercept 6 and 0, that is x-intercept at the same time.